Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to add or remove labels in Gmail. Whether you want to organize your inbox with new labels or tidy things up by removing old ones, I'll walk you through the steps. Nice and simple. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail inbox. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down to the bottom of your labels list. You'll see a little plus icon. Go ahead and click it. This opens a pop-up where you can type in a name for your label. It could be work, invoices, personal, whatever makes sense for you. Once you're happy with the name, just hit create. And that's it. You've successfully added a new label to Gmail. Now you can start using it to categorize your emails. Now let's look at how to remove a label you don't need anymore. Hover your mouse over the label in the sidebar and you'll see three little dots appear next to it. Click those dots. From the menu, choose Remove Label. Don't worry, this won't delete any emails. It just removes the label from your sidebar. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Click Delete to finish and the label will disappear. And there you go. Adding and removing labels in Gmail is super straightforward. Keeping your inbox organized with labels makes managing emails way easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tutorials.